If you are specifically looking for a budget quad camera smartphone, you are probably a photography enthusiast who want all the options taken care of. The best smartphone with a quad camera system under budget makes use of 4 camera sensors with good intent. There is a primary camera with a wide aperture, a ultra-wide lens, a telephoto lens, and a magic fourth lens which can be anything from a macro lens to a TOF sensor enabling 3D imagery. So that leaves you with a bucket of options when it comes to photography, and in this video I am going to show you the top 5 such budget quad camera smartphones that you can consider to buy in 2021. So watch the video till the end and let me know in the comment section, so which smartphone did you like the most. Please hit the like button, do share this video, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Realme 7 Pro. The Realme 7 Pro is one of the best quad camera mobile phone that comes equipped with a 64 megapixel quad camera setup. The quad camera configurations include a 64 megapixel Sony IMX682 main sensor, a 8 megapixel ultra wide angle lens, a 2 megapixel depth sensor, and a 2 megapixel macro camera. The cameras on the phone yield pretty decent result with a good details, and the HDR mode handles the task well under the daylight situation. The portrait mode works well too in differentiating the subject from the background. There is a night mode as well that enhances the low light shots, and the 32 megapixel front facing camera can provide detailed shots during the day. Other interesting aspects of the phone include a 6.4-inch Full HD Plus Super AMOLED panel that gives you immersive display experience, and this phone is powered by the powerful Snapdragon 720G chipset coupled with up to 8GB of RAM and 128GB of internal storage. The phone comes with a huge 4500 mAh of battery, comes with a fast charging support. Links are given in the description for various countries. You can check the price and availability in your country and buy it from there. Poco X3 Pro. Poco X3 Pro is the new entrant in the mid-range segment that comes equipped with a 48 megapixel quad camera system. The quad camera setup comprises of a 48 megapixel main sensor, comes with an aperture of f1.8 wide lens. There is another second camera which is of 8 megapixel that comes with an aperture of f2.2, and it has got a 190-degree field of view. The other two sensors are a 2 megapixel macro camera with an aperture of f2.4 and a 2 megapixel sensor. The cameras are ideal for shooting daylight shots, and the camera UI offers Pro mode that allows adjusting ISO, EV, and autofocus manually. The primary camera saves shots at 12 megapixel by default. As we have seen in the many of the reviews, the color appears true to the tone, and ultra wide lens manages to capture the photos with a nice detail and decent dynamic range. For selfies, you get a 20 megapixel camera to take beautiful selfies. Other exciting features of the smartphone are 6.67 inch of beautiful display that comes with a 120Hz refresh rate and HDR10 support. The smartphone is powered by the powerful Snapdragon 860 processor coupled with up to 8GB of RAM and 128GB of internal storage. The smartphone doesn't come with an in-display fingerprint scanner, instead it comes with a side-mounted fingerprint sensor. The smartphone packs a huge 5160 mAh of battery that comes with a 33W fast charging support. Realme 8 Pro. Realme 8 Pro, the new smartphone from the Chinese company, boasts a 108 megapixel quad camera setup. The primary camera is assisted by an 8 megapixel ultra wide lens with an aperture of f2.3 and a 2 megapixel macro lens and a 2 megapixel depth sensor, both with a f2.4 aperture. The quad cameras provided are capable of capturing good daylight shots with good contrast and subtle saturation. There is a built-in night mode that comes in handy while shooting the photos in low light conditions. Up front, there is a 16 megapixel camera that captures decent selfies and also comes with the skin enhancements among other features. The other important features of the smartphone are its beautiful 6.4-inch display that comes with a Full HD Plus resolution, offers you immersive display experience. The smartphone is equally powerful, powered with the Snapdragon 720G chipset coupled with up to 8GB of RAM and 128GB of internal storage. Coming to the battery of the smartphone, this smartphone packs 4500 mAh of battery that comes with a fast charging support. If you want a cheaper option, Realme 8 is also a good camera smartphone. Xiaomi Mi 10i 5G. Similar to Realme 8 Pro, the Xiaomi Mi 10i is the best quad camera smartphone that comes equipped with a 108 megapixel quad camera setup. The primary camera is accompanied by an 8 megapixel ultra wide lens with an aperture of f2.2 and 120-degree field of view. A 2 megapixel macro lens with an aperture of f2.4 and a 2 megapixel depth sensor is there. The cameras render well exposed images with a boosted saturation and higher contrast as seen in many of the reviews. The depth sensor reproduces good portraits with artificial background blurring. For selfies, there is a 16 megapixel front selfie camera to take beautiful selfies. The other exciting and the most important features of this smartphone are there is a 6.67 inch of IPS display with a 120Hz refresh rate. The smartphone is equally powerful, comes powered with a Snapdragon 750G chipset coupled with up to 8GB of RAM and 128GB of internal storage. Coming to the battery of the smartphone packs 4820 mAh of battery that comes with a 33W fast charging support. Redmi Note 10 Pro Max. Redmi Note 10 series is a popular lineup under Xiaomi's umbrella. The reason being is the feature packed offering at an affordable price range. The Redmi Note 10 Pro Max continues the legacy with its vivid and crisp panel and also the 108 megapixel quad camera. Speaking of the quad cameras, the primary camera uses a Samsung HM2 sensor that shoots photos at 12 megapixel by default. The 108MP camera is assisted by an 8 megapixel ultra wide lens with an aperture of f2.2, a 5 megapixel macro lens with an aperture of f2.4 and a 2 megapixel depth sensor. With HDR turned on, the cameras manage to render images with a decent detailing and color contrast as seen in many of the reviews. The dedicated night mode helps in getting the long exposure shots. The macro camera can produce portraits with a good edge detection also. For selfies, there is a 16 megapixel camera embedded on the centered punch hole cutout. The other important and most exciting features of this smartphone are 6.67 inch of beautiful Super AMOLED panel that gives you amazing display experience. The smartphone is equally powerful, comes powered with the latest Snapdragon 732G chipset coupled with up to 8GB of RAM and 128GB of internal storage. To talk about the battery, the smartphone packs 5020 mAh of battery that comes with a fast charging support. So these are the amazing quad camera smartphone that comes under budget. So which one did you like the most? Please comment in the comment section. If you like the video, please hit the like button, do share this video among your friends and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.